How to get TikTok back if you deleted it from your Android or iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you the easiest way of how you can directly download the TikTok app without using App Store or Play Store from your device. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to download the TikTok app from your Android or iPhone, simply go ahead and open up any browser from your choice. I'm going to open up this Safari browser from my device, and you just need to search for tweetclub.com. And once you have searched with this one, this will take you to the tweetclub.com in this page, and he'll get you to the mobile device is not detected. So what you have to do, you just need to get into the mobile desktop site. You just need to tap on this icon at the bottom right here, tap on this three-dot line and select the request mobile website. And once you do that, the page will be loaded up right here. And once you're here inside the tweetclub.com, you just need to search with the TikTok right over here. And now once you have searched for TikTok, it'll get you to the TikTok bypass. You just need to tap on TikTok right over here and tap on install, and this will take a little time to download this TikTok application. And right after that, you'll get to see the prompt like this. So from here, you just need to request the mobile website again. I'm going to tap on this one, tap on three-dot line, and then tap on request mobile website. And once you do that, this will give you a task. And it's asking me to fill up two different tasks. So the task can be different for you. So it can be ask you to install other application. So what you have to do, you just need to install two different apps or fill up the information that is providing right over here. So look at this, it's showing me a VPN. So I'm going to tap on free. I'm going to tap on install. And if it's give you the option to install the application, you can install the application directly to your iPhone or Android phone. And once you have filled up this one, you just need to get back to the website again, and then simply go ahead and select the second task, tap on install. And if it's give you the option to install an app, so go ahead and install it or wait some time to fill up this information. And once you have completed the task, you just need to wait some time, and once you get back, you most likely see that the TikTok is actually downloading. And this is how we can download the TikTok without using App Store or Play Store. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.